Guys, in the previous video we are successfully able to create the Vue.js app, and now let's build this music player functionality into that app. This is our music player and this one is our first Vue app, right? So I have opened this in my VS Code. So this is hello world component, right? So I'm deleting everything from this component, this template. I have removed that template. Okay, I'm removing this styling from here, right? Or even you can create a new component like music player dot view, something like this, which contain a template is basically responsible for handling the HTML stuff, and then there is a style and there is a script tag which will basically handle this overall our JS functionality, right? And I'm ending this script, and there is a style which is responsible for handling the CSS, right? Okay, great. I have created this app, and now I'm going to delete this basically this one overall. I'm going to delete this overall this component, right? So which is using in our app. So just give it a save, and now here we need to also change that. We need to make it music player, and make sure to also call it here music player because it's calling it here. Let's get refresh, and it's saying it's failing. So whenever you are doing some this kind of operation, just close your terminal and rerun your server again, so then this will load the components properly. Otherwise server stuck and failed to load the component, so it will show you the errors here. Okay, great. It's showing an empty one, right? Because we don't have anything in our music player. So let's add a heading of music player component. Let's get refresh, and you can see this we are now getting music player component, right? Okay, I want to also remove that logo. So this logo is coming from this app dot. So let me remove that. Okay, I have removed that, and now we are only using this one, right? So I don't want to pass this to my child component. So now you can see this, we have only music player component, and in the music player we want to just add this something like this music player, so it will showing only music player. So here I'm going to basically copy all of the functionality and paste that out here. So I have opened this all of the stuff in my this Sublime text editor. So here I'm going to copy this overall stuff, this my playlist, this till this one list. Okay, I'll explain everything that what it's doing. Let's remove that and paste everything here. First is heading, which is showing my playlist. Second one is a form, which is used to create the which is basically responsible for getting the new song, and this will load the overall basically playlist for us, right? I can write this logic, but I don't want to waste time because it's pretty simple. I have an input which have a title, I have other article, and so on, right? So I have a button which contain this on click, so even I can also remove this on click. It's a simple button. Okay, great. We have an unordered list which will contain the list items and so on things. So let's go here, and you can see this, it's saying failed to components. Okay, we have not added something which is breaking, but it's not inside a single element, so we need to wrap them into the single element, so then this will work. Okay, let me align it properly, and yes, let me add a space to make the differentiate. Let's go and get refresh, and yes, you can see this now our app is working fine. So when you are adding elements, you need to make sure that you need to add them into the single property. Let's say I have starting the div from here and ending it here. You cannot add the multiple standalone items here, right? Makes sense. Okay, now we need the styling of our application because it looks very simple. So how we can add that? So in the assets, we can create a new file for the styling. So make this style dot oops, not cs, it's a css. Make it css. Okay, great. And go back and here copy everything which is mentioned here. I have copied everything, just paste it, and that's it. Now save this file, and let's import that file. So if you want to import your global css, you need to go to this main.js where your app is rendering. So here you need to import your css file. So I want to do this import here, whatever the path, I am in the same folder, so it should be gone into this assets, right? Slash assets slash css css slash style dot css, something like this. Let's get save, and it's throwing an error, model main.js not found. Okay, let me check it again. Assets, in the assets we don't have any css directory. It's directly, we have placed directly our first we need to create a css directory, and then we need to place. I'm just adding this for the proper conventional purposes, right? So our asset will be stored in the proper their folder, otherwise this will also work without the folder. So now let's get refresh, and still it's not able to resolve. So let's close that terminal and then rerun it again. npm run serve, and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, great. Our music player design is working fine, right? I told you that sometimes your design is stuck here, so turn off your server and restart it, so then this will work. So our this template design is, our css is working fine, and now we need to only work on our js, right? So let's close this one, and here when someone want to add the song, we need to work on that to get the values from the input, and then when someone click on this add to song, we need to add those values here, right, in our array. So I'll do that in the next video. So till then, keep learning and keep exploring, and also keep subscribing. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.